Sports card failures here. I went to my local Target, saw some products that were new to me at the store, and decided to treat myself to some sports card Christmas crap here. This is the Crown Royal 2017. Supposed to get a jersey and an autograph per box. There's 5 cards per pack, 4 cards per box. Standard design here. The crown in the background that you remember from forever ago. This is a Richard Sherman parallel, numbered to 299, and the Mitch Trubisky rookie. Pack number 2, we've got Jordan Matthews, Jason Witten, Alex Smith. The jersey is a rookie silhouettes of Chris Godwin. Fantastic. And this is the Hassan Reddick rookie. And we got Josh McCown, Rob Gronkowski, LaShawn McCoy. Got a number to 175, Carson Wentz. And a Solomon Thomas rookie. And here we've got Sammy Watkins, Allen Robinson, Kyle Rudolph. And the autograph is a Jake Butt. And he's a tight end. That's fantastic. Autograph number to 350, as well as the Patrick Mahomes rookie. So to recap, I got a Chris Godwin rookie silhouettes. If you haven't heard this name, well, you won't. And Jake Butt, autograph number to 350. Sports card failures.